Let's break down the core differences between Verizon 5G Home Internet and Xfinity. Verizon uses a wireless 5G network, offering quick setup and no contracts. Xfinity relies on cable or fiber, providing more consistent speeds and wider coverage, but often involves contracts and potential data caps. Verizon offers speeds up to 1 gigabit, theoretically 10 Gbps with ultra-wideband, but speeds can be variable. Xfinity provides more consistent speeds up to 10 Gbps. Verizon starts at $70 per month. Xfinity starts at $50 per month, but prices vary by plan and location. Coverage for Verizon is limited to expanding 5G areas. Xfinity has wider coverage through cable or fiber infrastructure. Verizon has latency of 10 to 50 milliseconds. Xfinity offers lower latency at 5 to 20 milliseconds. Choosing the right provider depends on your location, speed needs, and setup preferences. Verizon 5G Home Internet suits urban areas with strong coverage, offering quick setup and environmental benefits. Xfinity provides consistent high speeds and reliability in areas with cable or fiber infrastructure. Always check coverage availability in your specific location using provider tools. Verizon offers wireless installation, while Xfinity requires cable or fiber connections. Verizon starts at $70 per month, while Xfinity begins at $50. Xfinity provides reliable high speeds for demanding users. For urban dwellers seeking simplicity, choose Verizon. For consistent high speeds and reliability, opt for Xfinity.